Jamaica, like several other countries, is seeking a silver bullet for the COVID-19 virus. It's no wonder that Pfizer's recent revelation about its experimental vaccine has become the talk of the town. On Monday, Pfizer Incorporation announced that its experimental vaccine is ready and is 90% effective. But Associate Professor in Occupational Health and Safety at the University of Technology Jamaica UTech, Alveston Bailey, believes the vaccine may not be a permanent solution. Speaking Monday on Radio Jamaica's Beyond the Headlines, Professor Bailey noted that while Pfizer's news is encouraging, it could take up to a year before its development.
There's no guarantee that this vaccine will confer lifelong immunity. And it's also important to remember that just like the flu vaccine, that the virus could mutate and we might end up needing a new vaccine annually. Therefore, we need to view this particular news release with cautious optimism, but recognize that until a lifelong vaccine is found and until we can produce a vaccine in large enough quantities for the whole world, that the vast majority of the world's population will still have to conform to what I've always described as an interim vaccine, which is to use masks and to use appropriate sanitation measures and physical distancing.
Dr. Bailey also believes that while Jamaica may be in line to receive a COVID-19 vaccine, there may be groups here which receive priority.
Part of the good news is that we're part of that group called COVAX, which is a group of 150 countries which have combined their resources together to purchase any vaccine that is available. However, I must point out that the COVAX facility indicated quite clearly that their expectation is that they'll only be able to provide vaccines for 3% of the population. Therefore, it means that the vaccines will be primarily used for frontline healthcare workers, first responders, those caring for the elderly, and the vulnerables in our society.
In the meantime, Assistant Professor of Public Health at the University of Lynchburg in the United States, Dr. Jenny Hall, said while she is optimistic, there is a lot of data missing on the vaccine.
It's great news, so it brings some hope that one may be coming, but the study results are premature. It still needs to go to the FDA, and they want a higher number of people to have gone through. Until we get more people through the study and know the results for a larger amount of people, then they're still kind of preliminary results. They could get vaccines out by the end of the year for emergency use.
Kimberly Broderick, Frontline News.